This next mistake that you guys want to avoid is really gonna help improve your focus throughout a self haircut. And that is to make sure that you have some sort of air conditioning or breeze from the outside, whether you have a window in your bathroom or wherever. You've got a nice cool breeze coming in, where you have the air conditioning on, or you have some sort of fan inside the area where you're cutting your own hair. Because, and I've noticed this, whenever I don't have the AC running, when I cut my hair, I get really hot and then I get sweaty. And then because I'm getting hot and sweaty, I'm burning more energy. And when I'm burning more energy, I'm losing energy that I could potentially be using to focus on making sure I'm doing a good job when I'm cutting my own hair, all right? So there's been plenty of times where I'd be cutting my hair without the AC, without the windows open, letting in a cool breeze, without a fan on to let in some airflow, right? And I'd just be breathing this warm, stale air, and then I'm sweating and I'm getting like anxious and like I'm just like I just get jittery because I want to rush the haircut and get it done quick so I can get out of that miserable state of being hot, right? So avoid that. Turn on the AC. Open up a window if it's cold outside, turn on a fan, bring a fan inside, and make sure you have cool airflow throughout the bathroom or wherever you're cutting your own hair. Because again, the last thing you want to do is be cutting your own hair and the heat just take away your focus, your ability to focus, because it's just draining your energy because it's just so hot or humid or stale inside your bathroom, right? So you want to avoid that. You know, you don't want to be hot. Make sure you're wearing short sleeves too, just like me. The short sleeve shirt, like I say, dedicated short sleeve shirt for self haircuts. And then always have some nice airflow inside your bathroom so you're staying cool, you're staying calm, you're staying composed, and you're retaining all of that energy that you would otherwise be losing by sweating or being hot or getting frustrated because you're just hot and you want to get out of the bathroom. So hopefully this helps. I think this is a very, very good tip a lot of you guys can utilize right now.